guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this month's Ipsy unbagging, and I've had this for a couple days now, but I had to wait because I didn't really have time to film, so I had to wait patiently before I was able to dig into the bag. So I don't know what's in this bag, so we're gonna open that now. If you are new here, hi, my name's Corinne. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get into it. So first, opening this, here is the bag this month. So it has a bunch of people on here sitting on towels and laying out on the beach, so I think that is really cute. So the card this month says make waves, and it says summer is more than a season, it's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon liner, swipe that bright gloss, and go full on bold for you. Break your beauty rut and create a splash. On the inside, it has 5 tips to maximize your SPF. I think that's really helpful for people, and especially me, because I may have gotten sunburn last weekend on a friend's boat, so I'm peeling just a little bit, but so maybe I should read some of these tips. They might help me out a little bit. Okay, so the first product in the bag is actually a brush, and this is from Eddie Funkhauser, and this is the domed blending brush, and this is the brush right here. It's a really nice shape, and I like the color of it. It feels really nice, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. I love getting brushes in my Ipsy bag. I normally get Luxie brushes. I know they do a lot of that. They use Luxie brushes a lot. So all of my Luxie brushes are actually from my Ipsy bags, and they're really nice brushes. So I'm expecting this to be really nice as well. So I can't wait to try that out. The next product is from Ciate London, and this is the Wonder Wand mascara. So here is the packaging, and let's see what this wand looks like. Okay, that's interesting. Here is the shape of the wand. It's kind of similar to the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, but it's not. I think it actually might be more curved than the Too Faced one, and I love that mascara, so this will definitely be interesting to try out. I've only tried a few products from Ciate. I mean, definitely nail polish. I think I've had a couple lip products and maybe an eyeliner, and definitely I've gotten all of them in an Ipsy bag. So, I mean, I haven't had any issues with any of those products, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying that one out as well. The next product just fell out of the box, and this is from Dr. Botanicals, and this is the Cocoa and Coconut Superfood Reviving Hydrating Mask. Oh, I like the packaging that it comes in. I think it's really cute. And this says you're supposed to use it 2 to 3 times per week and apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening and allow the mask to sink into the skin and leave overnight. Oh, cleanse as normal the following morning. Oh, it doesn't even say that on the front, so I wasn't expecting it to be an overnight mask. Interesting. I don't want to open it now because I do have a lot of other masks currently in my bathroom, so I don't want to open it. So I'm interested to see what kind of mask it is. I don't know how thick it's gonna be, so I'll definitely let you guys know what I think of this. I want to start using masks more. I haven't done a mask in a long time. It's a problem, and my skin probably needs it, so definitely try that out. I have to finish a couple before I open another one, so we'll see how long that is before I try it, but love masks. The next product is from Surmedic, and this is the Azaline Soothing Cream. This is a skin relief soothing cream enriched with a calming ingredient. I'll put that on the screen, I'm not gonna try saying that, which helps protect skin and reinforce the skin barrier. You're supposed to put this on as a last step of your skincare routine. It's purple. Doesn't smell like anything. That feels really nice. It is pretty cooling, but it also might be because I have my fan on, so adding a cream to my hand might just feel cool because of a fan. So excited about that. I haven't heard of this brand. Actually, I haven't heard of 3 of these brands already. So it's always nice, I've said that before too, it's always nice finding new brands from Ipsy. A lot of the products end up being really good products, so it's nice to be introduced to those brands from here. And I mean, the bag is $12 if you're not familiar with Ipsy, and all of these are sample sizes, except if you get something like a brush. This is obviously a full-size brush. So for the price of 5 samples, plus you get the bag each month, I think $12 isn't too bad, because you do get 5 sample products plus the bag. It doesn't just come in the plastic wrap. So I think that's nice. I think it's a good deal. But anyway, the last product this month is from First Aid Beauty, and this is the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. And I think I might have picked this. You do now get to pick, you have a choice every month to pick between a few products, I think, but I don't even know when I picked them. It was a few weeks ago, so I never remember what I actually picked, so it's still a surprise. And I definitely wanted to try this out. I haven't tried it yet. And it says it's the matte primer, and of course it's to fill in your pores. So I definitely need that because I do have pretty large pores around my cheeks. So I definitely will be using this. I've heard really good things about this, and I really like First Aid Beauty. It smells, well, it does have fig extract. So that might be what I'm smelling. I don't think I even know what the smell of fig is. So that could be it. It doesn't smell bad, but there's definitely a scent to it. I have so many primers in my collection, and most of them are sample sizes like this because I either got them in Ipsy bags, or when I used to get these for a play box, or even just from Sephora orders when I would get samples and point perks. So there's a lot to go through, but I definitely want to try this out because I've heard so many good things about it. So that is it for this month. I actually really like this box. Normally when I get skincare in Ipsy, it's not really too great. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying out the soothing cream and the mask. The mask I'm really excited to try because it is an overnight mask. So I think I only have one of those. Not many. Most of my masks are just normal leave on for 15 minutes. They're either mud masks or another type of mask that you just wash right off. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying that out. I will use the mascara and the brush probably the next time I do my makeup. I'm actually running low on a couple mascaras, so those will probably get tossed the next time I wear them. So I'll open a couple more mascaras. So maybe this one will be one of the ones I open. And then I will definitely be using the primer sometime in the near future. So that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!